In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can burn fat and gain muscle and strength by exercising less than 15 minutes twice a week. Oh yeah, without going to the gym. Hi Wonder Yogis! Idan here, and you probably know me from the yoga videos, yoga classes that I share online on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram maybe. And I love my yoga practice. It helped me to become more flexible, to improve my posture, to get rid of the pain that I used to have, the back pain, the neck pain, but most importantly, it helped me to clear my mind and to become happy and positive human being. Oh yeah, it helped me to beat stress and anxiety down to the ground. And I feel great, but I still wanted something more. I wanted to gain muscle. I wanted to burn fat, especially this stubborn fat around the belly area. And I tried different things. I didn't want to take my yoga practice and turn it into a workout routine. I wanted to keep my yoga where it is, a practice for the body, for the mind, for the spirit. And I didn't want to make my yoga an exercise routine. So I tried different ways to gain muscle, to burn fat. And the first one was going to the gym, working out for about 1 hour and a half, 3 times per week. And the other thing that I tried is going to a CrossFit places, doing just those CrossFit HIIT exercises, again for about 1 hour and a half, 3 times per week. And oh yeah, I got results from the gym and from the CrossFit places. But wow, it was exhausting, like working out for an hour, hour and a half, 3 times per week, plus driving there, coming back. It was so exhausting, time consuming. And the worst part, when COVID hit, that's it. No more gym, everything is closed. So I had to find something else that I can sustain for the long run. And I tried many different things. I tried like yoga workouts that I found online. I tried to work out by my own and I couldn't stick or just didn't get any results until I came across a program called 10X by Mind Valley. Oh yeah. If you are interested, you can learn more about it in the link up in here or in the description of this video. In that program, I learned a concept that blew my mind. Oh yeah, I learned that I don't need to work out for hour and a half in the gym 3 to 5 times per week, because I can get the same results by working out at home with no to minimal equipment, only for 15 minutes twice a week. Oh yeah, you heard me right. 15 minutes twice a week. This is what? 2 hours a month? Previously in the gym I needed to work out 3 hours a week, at least 3 hours a week. Now I work out for 2 hours a month. So this concept blew my mind, and I heard about the concept that I learned there in a book by Tim Ferriss, The 4-Hour Body, if you heard about it. And what is the concept? How you can gain muscle, how you can burn fat by practicing less than 15 minutes twice a week. It all comes down to 2 secret ingredients. The first one is resistance. Oh yeah, the same resistance that you use in the gym. In the gym you use resistance as a form of weights, lifting weights. Now in this program you use resistance, your own body weight. If you don't have equipment, you can use your own body weight, like push-ups, for example, squats for the legs, pull-ups. Now you can even add a more minimal equipment like resistance bands. Very, very useful, very helpful. And if you have weights at home, you can use them as well as a form of resistance. Now the second ingredient, and the most important one, is in the slow, controlled movements. Oh yeah, just moving slow with control. Because most of the time when you look people working out, they just move very fast, moving fast, and they think they getting more done or just getting more, but actually they are getting much less and they are just exhausting themselves. So slow, controlled movements. That means that if you, for example, do a push-up, you don't do fast push-up, you just do a controlled, slow movement, using the entire range of motion of your joints. So this way, you activate more muscle layers and you gain more and more muscle growth over time. And when you have more muscle in the body, you're gonna burn more energy, more calories, more fat, even while you sleep. I work out this way for the past 2 months and I see an amazing results. The best part that Babe saw me getting those amazing results, and the first thing, she can't take her hands off my bun. A great bonus. And the second one, that she saw me getting results and then she asked me if I can build her a workout routine as well, and she's now doing it for about a month and she's getting an amazing results. A big bonus for both of us. So yes, if you want to burn fat, gain muscle, gain strength, you don't need to waste your time in the gym where exercising for hours every week. You can just work out at home with no to minimal equipment by just doing about 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes, twice a week. Amazing. If you want to learn more about this program, the 10X program, you can check it out in the link up in here and in the description of this video. So thank you all for watching and I will see you here on a different video. Until then, always remember to do yoga and move your body because it just makes life better. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.